Hello champions, I just got off a leadership call with REMAX International. I thought I would explain to you what's happening because in the coming days, there will be a lot of chatter in the real estate industry. REMAX was acquired by REAL Brokerage, and this is wonderful news. I've been a REMAX broker for over 20 years, and I'm super excited about this. REAL will bring its AI and tech platform and inject it into the most recognized brand in the real estate industry, REMAX. Overnight, the small tech brokerage called REAL instantly grew to an agent powerhouse. Think about it. This is a power move and a win-win on both sides, the best of both worlds. We now have more options, more support, and stronger systems. We are unbeatable and unmatched with this acquisition. This does not affect you as an agent other than increased options and increased systems. It's business as usual. As new systems and tools become available, you will be informed. And for any questions, please reach out to me.